AP900 series filter replacement instructions. Replace the disposable filter cartridge every 12 months or when a noticeable reduction in flow rate occurs. Before changing cartridge, place a bucket under filter to catch the small amount of water that may run out after cartridge removal. Close shutoff valve upstream of filter system, leaving downstream shutoff valve open. Open a faucet downstream of the filtration system to depressurize the system. Once filtration system has been depressurized, close the downstream shutoff valve. Slide cartridge locking latch to the right and lift up. With both hands, twist out the sanitary quick change filter cartridge by turning it 90 degrees counterclockwise to the left and down. Install new replacement cartridge into head by pushing cartridge up and turning clockwise until locking latch clicks into place. Open downstream shutoff valve. Slowly open upstream shutoff valve until filtration system fills with water. Flush at least 10 gallons through system before use. Your filter replacement is complete.